Welcome! If you've ever scrolled through Instagram on your PC and wondered how to save your favorite posts with the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to save a post on the Instagram app for PC so you can easily revisit inspiring photos, helpful tips, or just those posts you don't want to lose. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. You can do this by searching for Instagram in your Start menu, or opening it from your desktop if you've pinned it there. Once the app is open, make sure you're logged into your account. Now, it's time to find the post you want to save. You can browse your feed, explore the Discover page, or visit a specific profile. Scroll through until you find the photo or video you want to keep for later. Once you've found the post, look for the Save icon. On the latest update, this icon looks like a small bookmark and is usually located in the bottom right corner of the post, right beneath the image or video. Hover your mouse over the icon and you'll see it highlight or change color, indicating it's clickable. Click on the Save icon. Instantly, the post will be added to your saved collection. If you want to organize your saved posts, you can click on View Saved or go to your profile. Then select the Save section to see everything you've bookmarked. Here, you can create collections or simply scroll through all your saved content. That's it. Saving posts on the Instagram app for PC is now quick and easy with the new update. Whether you're collecting recipes, travel ideas, or just memorable moments, this feature helps you keep everything organized and accessible whenever you need it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more videos for the latest tips and tricks on Instagram and other social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and happy saving!